Ano number 1?
Wait. Milk tea or Starbucks?
Milk tea.
Na-attract ka ba sa may abs?
Hindi.
Why?
Kasi wala lang.
Bag or backpack?
Bag.
Favorite song?
Love yourself.
Favorite artist?
Nadine Lustre.
Dress or t-shirt?
Dress.
Shoes or sandals?
Sandals.
Dog or cat?
Dog.
Who is your crush?
Hala! Cedric. Kasi naman, kasi yung tanong na yan.
Hello Kitty or Baymax?
Hello Kitty.
Top 5 best friends. Best friends.
Tala, Ella, Christine, Rina, Julia.
Eh. Tablet or cellphone?
Cellphone.
Mom or dad?
Ma'am.
Favorite thing?
Gift?
Gift?
Oo.
Favorite thing?
Thing. Gadgets, pwede?
Yes. Give 3 motto.
Motto. Time is gold.
Mm.
Ang bata mo kulit, pinapalo sa puwet. Pag binato ka ng tinapay, batoy mo ng bato. Ay, pag binato ka ng bato, batoy mo ng tinapay.
Favorite subject?
Math. Oh, math.
Oliver or Ryan?
Ryan.
Straight hair or curled hair?
Curled hair. Curled.
Favorite song? Ay, color.
Color blue. Sky blue.
Cold or hot?
Cold.
Okay.
Bye!